Today is kind of a sad day because we worked so hard over the past few months to make this custom suspension. Unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be up to par for what we want to be able to do with this car. So we are upgrading to the ATV suspension. I think it's only right that we bring in the creator of the suspension and have him help us cut it. Let me present to you guys my friend G.
What's up, plan? Okay.
All right, so here's the plan. Today we're just gonna cut this off. We're gonna disassemble it first, but we are gonna cut it off, and then we need to figure out where we are mounting the ATV suspension to make sure that it matches the original suspension that it came with. A little bit more complicated than that, but you guys will see as we kind of move along. And we are probably gonna make a lot of changes to this because as it sits, it's gonna be a really long go-kart, and I kind of want to shorten it to make it seem more go-kartish than sand real. But only one way to find out, and that is to get started. So let's get going. Sad days.
I'm thirsty.
And just like that, we got it off. Pretty simple procedure. Now we need to get that new suspension, see where it's going to fit, and get it put in place. So let's grab the new suspension first and see where it's going to fit. Yeah, I think we have to put it on the ground and just see where everything sits in the back and just try and match it up to the front. Out of curiosity, would you like to carry the suspension to see how big heavy it is?
So just picking it up and putting it over there?
Yeah.
Was that the links? Oh. Can I military press this? Yeah, I'm not even gonna try. I'm gonna cut myself. That's pretty heavy.
You're very handsome.
Thank you.
Mhm.
So are you?
Thank you.
Can you keep this on? No.
Yes.
Have you guys twerked before?
Have you twerked before?
Uh-huh.
No.
No. Have you? No, me neither. I thought about it.
Like the way
Kinda
back?
learned.
Like the way back?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exactly what you said?
Huh?
I thought you said something else.
No, twerk.
Can you make it clap?
No.
Are you sure?
Never
Wait,
tried it.
he said that definitively? That means he's tried.
We ended up putting the wheels on the front and the back to make sure that it was going to fit the geometry of the way we wanted to. So we need to mount it on the bottom pipe but we also need to make room for the tires. Currently, they're gonna hit and they're gonna disturb us, so we're gonna cut a bunch of things off, and then we'll come back and put everything together. So, give us just a moment to get ready.
Potentially the pipe down here. We could just cut here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. So we're done grinding out the frame. We are gonna weld together the front suspension to the frame, see how it looks like. Hopefully, good.
Now, the real question is, do you think we can put it back on the sawhorses?
They need to put it down to help you?
3, 2, 1.
That's crazy.
It's like we're lifting buddies again.
Yeah. Wow, that really helped. Is that bad?
Somebody look at that.
We're done putting the front suspension. Now what's left, probably next thing, seeing where the chair and the turning handle thing is gonna go, and the back. See how the back suspension is gonna look too. Probably 2 episodes.
Look forward to this too, and make sure you subscribe.
That's horrible.
And just like that, we finished the front suspension. The back suspension is in place, but I don't know if we're going to keep it there. We're thinking about moving the seat up, so we'll see what happens next episode. As well as kind of a sneak peek for the people that stay to the end of the video. We have the engine now. And this thing is a monster, and it's going to make some real power in this dingy little thing that we call the sand reel, or as my cameraman put it, Frankenstein. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the go-kart, and we'll see you guys next time. But make sure to subscribe. Peace out.